Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add car insurance Facebook leads to Salesforce. So here let's suppose I am an owner of a car insurance company and to promote my company I am running some Facebook lead ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ad, automatically using that detail a new lead should be created in my Salesforce account too. So here to build this connection I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Salesforce, and here to build this connection I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here Pabbly Connect works on two concepts, that are trigger and action. So here our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and our action application will be Salesforce. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see the Facebook page of my car insurance company named as Primers Cars. And here to promote my company, I am running some Facebook lead ads. So in this case, I want whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ad, automatically using that detail, a new lead should be created in my Salesforce account. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Salesforce account. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Add Car Insurance Facebook Leads to Salesforce. And now I'm going to select my folder as Facebook Lead Ads. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Add Car Insurance Facebook Leads to Salesforce. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads and my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. And here I'm going to select my Facebook account and authorization successful. So here you can see we easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So here to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your Facebook account. And now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select my page. So as I have already shown you that I have created my car insurance company Facebook page with the name Primers Cars. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to search for my page, that is Primers Cars. Here I'm going to select my page. And after selecting my page, here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So for that, let me take you to Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see different lead ads form which I've created for my use. So here for this case, I'm going to use car insurance form. You can create your own lead ads form as per your need. So now moving back to Pabbly window. And here I'm going to select my lead gen form as car insurance form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all leads in forms. And now after selecting this page and leads in form, here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our form. So for that, let me take you to Meta for Developers. This is the homepage of Meta for Developers. From here, I'm going to click on this more. And from here, I'm going to select Tools. Now under Developer Tools, I'm going to select Lead Ads RTU Debug Tool. And here in Lead Ads Testing Tool, it is asking me to select my page and my form. So here I'm going to select my page which is named as Primers Cars. And after selecting my page, here I'm going to select my form as Car Insurance Form. And now here to generate a test lead, here I'm going to click on this Preview Form. Now here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy. Last name as lead. Email as dummy77@pabblytudes.com. Company name as Pabbly. And a random phone number. And now after entering all these details, here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have successfully captured a response here. So here we have received our first name, last name, email, company name, phone number and some other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as Salesforce. And my action event as create a lead. So that whenever a new lead is captured in my Facebook lead ads, automatically using that detail, a new lead should be created in my Salesforce account too. And now to connect my Salesforce with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Salesforce account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Salesforce. Here it is asking for access. So here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and now here it is asking me for last name and first name. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Facebook lead ads. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever a new lead is captured in my Facebook lead ads, automatically this previously existing lead details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the last name. Here I'm going to map the first name. Moving forward, here this title is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any title, then you can do it as per your need. Now here for the company name, here I'm going to map the company name. Here I'm going to map the phone number. Here I'm going to map the email. Moving forward, again this website and description is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but you can add your details as per your need. Moving forward, and here for the lead source, I'm going to select web. Status as open. Rating as hot. Moving forward, again this street, city and country are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but again you can add your details as per your need. And now after entering all the required data here, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully received a response. So now let's go and check our Salesforce leads. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead with the name dummy lead. Let me open this for you. And here you can see we have received all the details where we have received the name as dummy lead, company as Pabbly, lead status as open, lead source as web, and also we have received a random phone number and email as dummy77@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to generate another test lead in our Facebook lead ads. And for that, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool. So here in lead ads testing tool, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form. you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here I'm going to click on this delete lead button. And after clicking on this delete lead, here I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here in lead testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Primers Cars and my form, that is car insurance form. And again to generate a test lead, here I'm going to click on this preview form. And again here I'm going to add a dummy data and do a test submission. So for this time I'm going to enter the first name as test, last name as lead, email as test77@pabblytools.com, company name as Pabbly, and a random phone number. And after adding all these details, here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Salesforce account again. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead with the name test lead. Let me open this for you. And here you can see all other details where the name is test lead, company as Pabbly, lead status as open, lead source as web, a random phone number, and email as test77@pabblytools.com. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Salesforce, so that whenever a new lead is captured in our Facebook lead ads, automatically using that detail, a new lead should be created in our Salesforce account too. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.